you, this machine's actually making dreams come true, guys. Just look how cool that is. I'm well chuffed with that. That's honestly so cool. I think this might be my most favorite thing I have ever done in this workshop. So today we're going to take another look at the EufyMake UV resin printer. So we're going to take a look at the rotary attachment, but we're also going to take a look at the laminator machine and the DTF printing option you can do with this. So before we get into it today, I would like to thank today's sponsor, which is EufyMake. This machine can print on nearly any surface you can think of in super high detail and with some crazy color accuracy. And the best part about it is how easy this machine is to use. You can connect directly to your computer with this software wirelessly, or you can also do it with your mobile phone. It is pretty much as easy as drag and drop. You just place your item on the bed, you'll use the cameras and the dual laser system within the machine itself to scan the item and set the right height for the print head, and then within the software you just import what image you want to print on, choose the print settings you want to use and press go. So whether you make items to sell yourself, branded items, merch, or just turn ideas into physical products, then this is the machine for you. So definitely check out EufyMake. I'll put a link down in the description, and I'll also put my own promo code down there as well, so definitely check out that in the description below. So a massive shout out to EufyMake for sponsoring this video. So let's get back into it. Okay, so let's install the rotary. I'm going to show you how simple this is to do. Just open up your door to your machine and you'll unlock that bed. So we've currently got the small bed in there. And the rotary system goes this way. So we'll just slot that in, lock that up, and then the software will automatically recognize we've got the rotary bed installed, and that is literally all there is to it. So how we want to align that. So if you have a look at the small video in the top corner there, this center line is wherever we place on our cup. So on the rotary here, you can see the mug is perfectly flat at the moment. So all we need to do is just press auto measure in the system. We're going to go a standard mug with a handle, and then we're just going to start measure. So you'll see now it'll start to move everything by itself. The handle is pretty much the exact same size as where the rollers meet. You can actually take these out. I've put them in, so I might take them out if it causes any issues. But it's worked out where the handle is, and it's measured the height and everything, so the top of it is the perfect distance. You can see the laser running there. Perfect distance from the laser head, and it's calibrated so the handle is perfectly pointed down. My design's set with the custom depth map texture set to 0.5 millimeter. I'm just going to go print. So it's just going to send this to the printer, but at the same time, it's going to let me know exactly how much ink it's going to use and how long they think it's going to take. So on the right hand side here, we can see it's going to take about 15 minutes because I'm doing a raised image and it's really not using much ink at all. All we need to do now is press start on the machine and let it run. Wow, just look how good that is. You can see the details a mile off from that, guys. Just look at it close up as well. You can see where the depth map has really made the details on this stand out. And just listen to the pen as it goes across the edges. You can see all the little rust bits up there, the details from the logo we printed. Just looks, guys, this looks perfect. This couldn't have gone any better if I tried. Now, one thing I will mention is the rotary tool doesn't currently accept tumblers like this, because basically when it's trying to measure the size of the cup, because of the way these tumblers are set up, it can't correctly, you know, set it up to try and measure the proper height on it, because it's calculating everything. And in this bit here, it does just confuse the system. Now, there may be an update in the future where they can get the system to recognize, you know, a beaker like this, but there is another way to get your prints on these type of tumblers, which you can see here. I've got this flat printed image of an old VW Beetle with Mark AM on the license plate. Now, to do this again, it is very simple. So just unlock it and lift it out. And then for this, I'm going to install the mini flatbed. And then we're going to print on these special DTF sheets. So I'm using the mini flatbed because these are the size sheets I've got. You can obviously get the bigger ones and use the bigger bed. So how it works is you stick this down to the bed, then you'll peel this protective cover off, and then that's got a really sticky adhesive there. So you'll print your image directly onto there, and then once it's printed on there, you'll feed that into the EufyMake laminator, and then that'll transfer the image from here onto that film, and it gives you then a very, very strong and durable sticker. So let's stick this on now. You literally just pop it on, make sure it's nice and flat, and then you just take off this protective film. So again, just pull it off nice and quick, and then we are ready to print. So I've already run a snapshot of the bed, so you can see the white background there, that's the sheet. And I'm just going to import a load of images from my computer just to fill that sheet up. So there we go, all the images are now placed on the bed exactly where I want them. I'm just going to select all of them, and in the right hand side over here where we've got ink mode, I'm going to go with UV DTF sticker. Okay, so this is literally only going to take 7 minutes, and the amount of ink it's going to use is hardly anything. Okay, so the stickers are all done printing now, so let's have a look how they turned out. And if we peel this off carefully, so come right in the corner, and we can see we've got some really good results there. So you just start feeding the sheet into the laminator, then it'll just start pulling it through automatically, and then you can see out on the other side it comes from the other end. It'll stop on its own automatically, and then you've got this cool little cutter on the back where you can just cut it and then pull it away. So I'm just going to show you very quickly how easy it is to apply the stickers to your items. So you just peel it as you would do with a normal sticker. You can see it, the print is all coming away. And then you literally just stick it down, place it onto the item you want. Make sure, you're pushing all the printout down as much as you can. Then you just need to slowly pull the film away. Be careful with this, because sometimes if you haven't put the sticker down correctly, it can sometimes pull some of the ink away. And there we go, this looks so good. So this is just a 2D UV sticker we've stuck on it, and it looks amazing. Let's do exactly the same with one of these large Stanley tumblers. So again, we just peel the sticker like you would do with any normal sticker. And then we'll just try and stick it down as central as we can, exactly where we want it. Again, just pushing everything down. And again, just carefully remove the film. And there we go, that's stuck on the tumbler. So now you've got your own bespoke made tumbler. Again, with any design you want, you can do this exact same thing. So we've had another fantastic day with the EufyMake UV printer, printing with the attachments. So we got really good results with this travel mug, printing with the textured map 3D design on there. Again, just look how cool that looks. And then we used the DTF and laminating system to make our own stickers. So I got a bunch of stickers here. I've just been making anything and just printing anything I can out in stickers. I've been having so much fun with this. Again, we got the sticker on the travel mug there as well. We've got this one, which looks really good on these Stanley mugs. And then we got the blue Stanley travel mug with the logo printed on the sticker and again put on there. And then this is by far my most favorite thing I've ever made. This is going straight on the wall. So this was just a vector image I created and then just a font that just says Mark AM. So I printed these out on the DTF sheets, again fed it through the laminator and then just stuck it straight on there. How cool does that look now? I now have my own pro model skateboard and I'm so happy with it. This is so cool. So again, don't forget to check out today's video sponsor, which is EufyMake. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check them out. If you want to get your hands on one of these machines now, they are currently in stock. And I do have my own promo codes, which will be down in the bottom. The first 30 people who do use the promo code, which will be down in the description, will get a load of free printed materials with your machine. So check them out and use that code before everybody else does. I really do hope you've enjoyed today's video exploring the attachments we can use with the EufyMake, guys. I've had so much fun. fun making these videos and using this machine. Honestly, it's been an absolute game changer for me. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not already as well, subscribe. It really does help a bunch. So I'm off to go and print a load more stickers with this machine, guys. So we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra now.